Hi, friends! Welcome to DIYs and Crafts with Nosh. This is where I share budget friendly DIYs and easy peasy home decor ideas. Today I'm participating in the Sunday Funday challenge hosted by Deco Easy and co hosted by Crafting Cousins. And these are the creations that I came up with: two old and incomplete photo frames and a Nescafe canister just got some serious makeover. Let's start with project 1 now. This frame was old as well as lacking a back support. So what I did is just gave it a dry brush of one chalk paint. It was a very dry, light dry brush of one chalk paint. And I just kind of took this cardboard and gave it a back support with that. Once the cardboard was trimmed according to the size of the back support, I took some of this jute and cut it to size and covered the front and hot glued the back side like so. And I can't tell you how much I've hurt my fingers with this hot glue gun. Guys, if you know any good hot glue gun, please let me know. I desperately want to get rid of this one. I've taken two separate panels of this jute fabric and rolled it up in this way. I'm going to do it in a way where the bottom is lined up and the top part will be open, so that I can kind of use it as a pocket to place things inside it. Really, I tell you, this is a no-brainer. It's a very easy project. Yeah, I'm giving it a hem over here with my hot glue gun. So the second one, I've given it a hem. And I'm going to roll it back and seal it. I've kept this one a little larger so that it could touch instead of touching the fabric, it could touch the cardboard. And now once the pockets are ready, it's time to juice it up. So I wanted to place some elegant laces around this, because it will be eventually on my table, and a lot of the stuff on my table, or at least my containers, have an element of shabby chic. So I wanted it to also have something similar. So I've gone for this maroon or burgundy, deep burgundy color lace, and I'm using some Fevicryl to apply it. I'll be applying it on the top of the pocket and the bottom of the pocket. And that's exactly how easy this was. I mean, seriously, this was like really easy. Now I have not, at the moment I had not placed anything on the back, but after the photography I had placed, just because it's going to stand on the table, so I kept a black felt material in the back. Now in case, I mean, just have a look. It looks so cute. I've placed some of my tools, which are not my regularly used tools, like the quilling tools or the carving tools. Those are the ones I've kept on this. I have a whole lot of photo frames. I'm happy to pick them up whenever anybody is kind of selling them or even dumping them, for the very reason because I think I can do a lot with these frames. So yeah. Now for our second DIY. If you are my subscriber, then you already know that I have tons and tons of these containers, whether it is the glass containers or these cans. I'm happy to always collect these as well and make good use of it. I mean, honestly speaking, there's endless possibilities of how you can, dress these up. Today, these are just going to be, because, I have a whole lot of paint sticks or paint brushes as well, which are quite long, and you place them in the smaller containers and they tend to kind of flip. So I'm going to use this little fella to hold my paint brushes, the tall ones. So yeah, I'm just going to add this. Oh yeah, by the way, this is a drop cloth. Can you believe it? So this is a drop cloth which I'm going to roll or wrap around it with some hot glue. And once that's wrapped, I'm going to take a printed fabric. The printed fabric I got from Dollar Tree. It's for $1. You know, the ones which you get, I think, half a meter or something, or even less than that maybe. But for small projects, they're perfect. So I will be using that. Yeah, that's the one. So I'm going to take some measurements, and it's going to cover maybe less than half of the canister, but it's going to go inward. So I'm going to let the video explain how I did it. But I've not used any sewing in this. It's all to do with, I'm giving it a hem right now, but this entire project is based on glue gun. No sewing was involved in this at all. So I'm sticking it there. Back side, front. So you'll see the back side is out right now. I'm going to stick it halfway through, and then we just turn it around, take it up, and take it in. There you go, take it up and take it in. So now I'm going to glue the end of the fabric inside the can. Now that's just so that it sticks firmly to the inside of the can and does not keep coming off every time I want to remove the brushes. They tend to kind of come off then, so this will prevent that. And now to spice it up a little. So I'm going to place one of these lovelies to the divider between the printed and the plain part. So I've got two colors, pink and a pink. My God, the number of names colors have these days. Well, anyway, this one I think is a bright pink, while the other one was, I think it was more on the lines of a purple pink, maybe plum color, So anyway, next, once I finish this, I'm also going to add a lace ribbon of the same color to the bottom. That will give it a nice, it will define it better, So yeah. I've done so many of these makeovers of the Nescafe can. I think I should do a video which clubs all of them together, just to kind of show you how you can dress them up, give them a makeover. So yeah, and just like that, voila, we are ready. I mean, just look at it. It looks so pretty. Friends, if you like upcycle projects or recycle projects or DIYs, I think you should consider subscribing to my channel. My videos are mainly tutorials based on upcycle DIYs, Dollar Tree and Dollarama DIYs, or recycle crafts, um, or even shopping hauls from Dollar Tree and Dollarama. So those are the kind of videos I generally publish. Now, if you like this video, please don't forget to smash the thumbs up icon or the like button and let me know which one is your favorite. The next one here is another successful attempt at upcycling an incomplete picture frame. I'm a stickler for these to-do lists, and I think this frame is probably going to be my answer to these to-do list with the post-its. So what I've done is, it does not have a back support, so I'm going to use some cardboard, double corrugate cardboard, and I'm also using a cork sheet from Dollar Tree. So what I'm going to do is just glue it together, the both of them, measure it, and trim it to size to fit the back, like so. And once they both are trimmed, I'm just going to fit it in there. That's it. That's exactly how simple it is. Now, yeah, I've also given it a coat. I forgot about that one. Yeah, I also gave the frame a coat. It was Americana, lamp ebony black, I think. Yeah, lamp ebony black, acrylic paint. That's just to kind of, spruce it up a little bit. That's all. So, yeah. So there you have it. Super easy and so functional. I mean, what more could you ask for? Something that was probably going to be in the landfill now sits on my table being used. Yeah. So with that, thank you for dropping by today. I'm so happy you're here. See you again.